Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Snails are often overlooked because they move slowly and live quietly, but they are among the most fascinating creatures in the animal kingdom. Despite their size, they have unique abilities, survival skills, and behaviors that make them extraordinary. Let's explore 10 fascinating facts about snails that will surprise you. Snails are found on land and in water, and they belong to a group called mollusks. Their soft bodies are protected by a hard, spiral-shaped shell that grows with them throughout their life. This shell not only protects them from predators but also prevents dehydration, making it essential for their survival in harsh environments. The movement of a snail is slow but highly efficient. They use a muscular foot that produces mucus, allowing them to glide smoothly over rough or sharp surfaces. The mucus is sticky enough to help some snails climb vertical walls and even upside-down surfaces without falling. Snails are hermaphrodites, meaning each snail has both male and female reproductive organs. This unique feature allows them to mate with any other snail and produce hundreds of eggs, increasing their chances of survival even in challenging conditions. Some snails are extraordinary hibernators. When faced with extreme heat, cold, or drought, they retreat into their shells and seal the opening with a special layer of mucus called an epiphragm. This adaptation can help them survive for months, sometimes even years, until conditions improve. A snail's eyes are tiny and located at the tips of tentacles. While they cannot see clearly like humans, they can detect light, shadows, and movement. This helps them avoid predators and navigate safely in their surroundings. Interestingly, snails can retract their eyes completely to protect them from danger. Snails are also remarkable survivors in terms of longevity. Some species can live up to 25 years in captivity, thanks to their slow metabolism and energy-efficient lifestyle. This long lifespan allows them to reproduce multiple times and adapt to changing environments. Many snails produce slime with amazing properties. It can be poisonous to predators, help with healing injuries, and even prevent fungal or bacterial infections. This mucus is also why snails leave shiny trails wherever they move, which is not only beautiful but functional. Snails play a vital role in ecosystems. They help decompose plant material, recycle nutrients, and serve as food for birds, mammals, and even other snails. Without them, the balance of many ecosystems would be disrupted. Despite being slow and small, snails have incredible abilities and survive in almost every environment on Earth, from deserts to rainforests. Their fascinating adaptations and behaviors prove that even the tiniest creatures can have amazing secrets. If you found these facts amazing, please like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel for more surprising and mind-blowing facts about nature.